Hi, I'm Christian Risk, and this is my lunch break. I'm here today to make a Matcha Chia Seed Smoothie. And you may remember me from my previous lunch break episode where I made our lemon drop sparkling martini.
I mean, I'm gonna get tipsy by the time we finish this.
Well, after that fun party, it's only natural that I share with you the perfect hangover drink of Matcha Chia Seed Smoothie. So, I add about 4 bananas. And yeah, I just love anything really with smoothies with bananas because that way it just gives it that very creamy and filling feel. Of course, it's very good for you. You know, a lot of potassium in bananas. So then I add the matcha, some chia seeds, vanilla extract, adding some maple syrup and coconut water, some almond milk to give it that really creamy feel. And I prefer almond milk as well because, you know, for me personally, I'm a lactose intolerant. So a substitution like almond milk or coconut milk or really any other milk other than dairy milk is really a great option for me. You know, this month is Pride Awareness Month, and that's something that's very important to me as my own personal journey in life as an openly gay individual. And for me, you know, yes, Pride is about parties, Pride is about having fun, which is why it's always great to have this smoothie after you go to a fun Pride party. But it really is more about the history, about where we came from and where we are today. So now it's time to blend all the ingredients together. See, this is what happens when you're a little bit hungover. You lose your strength. You can do a little shimmy. So my first Pride was Atlanta Pride, and it was the first time where I felt accepted. With my university, I was volunteering with their Pride organization. And so I was at the booth that we had at the Pride Parade in Piedmont Park. And it just felt like a very welcoming place. And I had never really experienced that growing up. I grew up in a bit of a conservative household and conservative neighborhood. So I really wasn't able to go to places or events like a Pride, and everyone will love and accept who I am. But yeah, look at that creaminess. So I added in some mint there as a nice little garnish, and here I add some coconut flakes just to add to the whole coconut theme. So one of the Pride parades that really kind of stuck out to me and celebrations was in 2015 when they legalized same-sex marriage. And it just really felt like finally we are part of this society. US Supreme Court really saying that, you know, same-sex couples are allowed to get married in any state in the land. Really just solidified the sense of being accepted and just being part of the community. Let me give it a taste. It's so creamy, delicious. I can taste the protein from the bananas, the sweetness from the coconut and the almond milk. You know, let me just, This is just perfect for this hangover that I have, but also really great after you do that really hard workout at the gym. This video is gonna make me look like alcoholic. So if there were 3 alcohols left on planet Earth, I would have to say it would be, for me, champagne, because you never know when you're gonna have to have a fun special occasion to enjoy it, and it's bubbly. Whiskey, because it's a great pre-meal drink, post-meal drink, something that you can sip and kind of really enjoy the taste. And the third would be probably aguardiente. So that's a drink from where I'm from. I'm half Colombian, and so that drink is part of my heritage, and I think it would be having a little bit of my home with me. So let me go ahead and share this with some of my colleagues in the office, as I'm sure some of them may be feeling a little bit the way I do this morning. See you soon. Happy Pride. Cheers.